Meet Emma. She had just received her very first paycheck. It wasn't a huge salary, but it meant a brand new beginning. Like many young adults, she had dreams. She also had responsibilities. Rent, food, transportation. Money seemed to disappear so quickly. Then one evening, she checked her bank account. That's when she asked herself one simple question. What if I saved $100 every month? It sounded simple. The next day she told her friends. They laughed. Only $100? Emma didn't argue. She simply started. Month after month, saving became a habit. 1 year passed, then another year. She began learning about investing. Her money started working for her. Small actions became big results. She didn't become wealthy overnight. She simply stayed consistent. And that's what changed her life. What small habit can you start today?